Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. After an extremely successful weekend at the AAA Expo down in Melbourne, we've kept the ground back running at the workshop, but a big thank you to everyone that come up to us over the 3 days of the show. It was huge, met up with a lot of people, fantastic 3 days. During those 3 days training, obviously we did some EV stuff while we're at the show as well, but we're running a special promotion for anyone that joined TAP, signed up to any of the past webinars or future training and or joined the EV and hybrid network to go into the draw for some special prizes. So a big thanks not only to HaynesPro for their 2 lots of 6-month subscription for their data information, and also to CoolDrive for some mega meters and sets of gloves. So we've got a bunch of people that joined up in all those 3 areas. So first prize we're going to draw out is for one of the HaynesPro's 6 months subscriptions free of charge. So the winner for that one is Alex Grummitt from AG Auto Electrical and Air Conditioning Services. So congratulations, Alex. So you've got one of those HaynesPro ones. Next ticket out we'll draw up is for one of the multimeters. So it's a mega meter and multimeter from CoolDrive, plus a set of high voltage gloves for your future EV work, etc. And so one set of each of those to the next winner. I'll draw a name out for that one. And we have this one here. We have Dennis Bullpit from TOOWOOMBA Steering and Suspension. So congratulations, Dennis. You've got a set of gloves and a set of meters heading out for you. We'll go back to the HaynesPro for the second lot of the 6-month subscription for HaynesPro. And the winner for that one is Jamie Kite from ULTRATUNE in Thomastown. So well done, Jamie. A 6-month subscription to HaynesPro coming out your way. And last up, the last one of the CoolDrive gloves and multimeters. And the last one out is Cary Johnson. Cary Johnson, we don't have a business name there, but Cary's got a set of gloves and a multimeter. So Ben, big thank you to our supporters in HaynesPro and their data, and to CoolDrive for our mega meter and for our gloves. So welcome aboard to all those people into the TAP family. Hope you get to use it heaps of times and get plenty of use out of it. So big thank you again to our sponsors. Big thank you to everyone who caught up to us during that weekend at the AAA Expo. See you next time.